All right, we're back here in the second set, and it is FEU on top by 7, 16-9. And Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's. Maranan gets blocked. Tignan natin. Oh, Sanchez a bit too slow to save that one.
FEU has managed to score 8 points, while itong St. Benilde isa lang ang nakuwang puntos with a score pegged at 9-8 kanina.
Yeah.
And because of that, FEU, anchored on Moraita, 17 against 9. Medyo nare-recall pa natin yung algebra natin ng Bahagya. Maski dalawang dekada na tayo nagtapos sa kulit. Ako po yun.
Ako doon pagka-review ko kinabukasan, nakalimutan ko na agad yung algebra.
Never my favorite subject. Never was. Sayang po ang accountancy.
Eto na, Kwan getting back in, and Maranan hindi masyadong nakatulong doon sa pagpasok niya, and it's now a big 9-point lead here in the second set. Cabanag with a good serve. Having some difficulties. Muling tapang Sanchez from the back row. Jose, back set to oh, that was a good cross-court hit coming from Gonzalez.
All started with that reception, misreception para sa St. Benilde. Hindi ka makaka-atake pag hindi maganda yung pag-receive mo. And right now, things not going right once again for St. Benilde.
They want you jump. Pag tumanon kayo, nilolobo lang ubos sa block, diagonal parati. Ganun lang ginagawa nila. Ayusin naman natin yung defense natin. Ayusin natin. Guys, pwede naman kayo mag-shift left eh. Pinipilit nyo kasi pag pumalo doon, hindi naman kayo sanay doon. Dito tayo lahat sa left, doon kayo lahat dito sa right. Okay? Shift left tayo. Gawa kayo ng opensa. Hindi mag-slide ka ngayon. Ikaw tuloy dito sa position. Okay? Okay. Pwede ka mag-drop sa position. Okay, go.
Alright, Coach Edwin Leyva giving instructions, and we have our games on Tuesday. Our triple header here in the arena in San Juan. Ateneo versus Adamson. 2 p.m. USC versus De La Salle at 4. And of course, FEU versus Lyceum at 6 p.m. Buong hapon na po kayong nandito sa arena.
Doc, may comment lang ako ron.
Ano yun?
May pananghalian, may pang merienda, may pang hapunan.
At siguradong Shakey's ang kakainin nyo pag nandito.
Pwede.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. That is one of the rare times that, you know, we're going to have 3 straight games here in the arena. So make sure that you find time to come over. Magmula hapon, kung kahit malate kayo ng konti, sigurado pwede pa kayong humabol.
Galing sa trabaho, pwede pa humabol.
Pwede. One outside hit. Good reception from Taganas of FEU. Dakis shows, that is how it's done, says Dakis. Hindi kailangan lakas.
Oo. Doc, kanina yun ang sinabi ni Coach Edwin sa kanyang mga players. Inilolobo lang ng FEU off the blockers. Diagonal. Ito, diretso lang, oh. Asan yung suporta ng back row?
That's right. And that takes a lot of practice to judge when to do that off-speed hit. And of course, Rachel Andakis has been a veteran here in the Shakey's V-League. She's not the highest pointer of the team for nothing. Kwan, another free ball for FEU. Itong gustong-gusto ng FEU. Dakis this time hits it hard and drives it down the line. Kwan, cross-court. De La Peña right there. Dakis tips it over. Ordonez to Kwan once more. No blockers, but a good save from De La Peña. Gonzalez gets blocked. A long rally here in the second. Dakis, this is outside from Rachel.
Excellent sequence para dito sa St. Benilde. I think that's the best point of the match so far for the Lady Blazers. Excellent defense, non-stop attack on the offensive end. Although kalahati ang kanilang hinahabol. 10 for St. Benilde, serving now against the 20 points of FEU.
Kwan serving. This one just getting over.
Kati Kwan.
Yun ang masarap practicein, yung ganung serve. Kung mapa-perfect mo yung...
Medyo mahirap pa.
Mahirap yun. Malamang maser mo ng kanang.
Paano mo masabihin yan? Patamahin mo rin sa logo ng Shakey's, tapos mahulog sa kanila.
Siguro duhin mo lang ha, mahulog sa kabila, hindi sa court natin. One more time, Dakis gets blocked again. Wow, and that is a tall block. That is Velasquez getting a hand on that spike from Dakis.
Sign of good things to come right now for St. Benilde. Good set here by Jose. But the blockers now making themselves present against the attackers of FEU.
Yumang again. Oh, yun ang sinasabi ko. Nadali ka din. You know?
Sinabi na po, huwag masyadong
mababa.
ulitin.
Huwag masyadong mababa dahil it's better to play safe. Babalik sa court mo eh.
21 for FEU. maswerte rito ang FEU dahil dalawang straight points na nakuha ng St. Benil. But right now, Benil committing an error there off their serve. Because of that, FEU once again 4 points away from nailing the second set.
And Tiangco comes in for FEU in the front line. And that is a hard call to make because two players had last touch on that ball.
Substitution
And the referees looked at each other and decided to give the point to Benil. Last touch on Dakis.
Kalmado pa naman si Coach Nestor Pamila dahil malaki pa yung kanilang
Oh,
agwan.
oh, oh.
Pero kung yan ay medyo dikit-dikit, medyo may tataas sa dalawang kamay dyan at sasabihin, bakit? Bakit po nyo tinawag? At ito, mabilis ang rotation ng mga tao ni Coach Edwin Leiva. Every point counts right now for St. Benil.
Ajero with a good serve. Uy! That ball coming into play, and that sometimes happens, you know.
Yes.
We've got a lot of balls here rotating from our linesmen, our ball, yung ating mga ball boys, so siguro nadulas ang
Ayan po yung tinatawag na my fault.
yung mga mikasa na bola natin na yan. Kailangan
Dami
laging,
kasi, no?
Oo, kailangan laging bago, laging up. Oh, another ace coming from Ajero. This could be the spark that Benil has been waiting for here in the second set.
Imagine what could have happened if this was still a very close game. And right now, nobody there really present to receive that serve. Ito yung sinasabi ng ating mga coaches to stay low on the stance,
That's
ready to
right.
receive.
Ajero with a floater this time, dug up by Morada. Tiangco able to get it off the block, and confusion again dun sa depensa, Coach Ronnie and Benil.
Almost a campfire. Nasalo na niya pero hindi niya naiangat yung bola. At ngayon, 3 points away ang FEU. Sayang yung bahagyang bulusok
That's
na
right.
ipinakita ng St. Benil.
This time it is Gonzalez serving for FEU. Oh, poor reception from Muling Tapa. Another free ball for FEU. Tiangco! Mukhang Tiangco would be one of the names that would soon be, you know, katapat na mga ka-level na ng mga Dakis and mga Morada. She's given this chance.
And Monique Tiangco making St. Benil pay for giving them another free ball.
That's
At
right.
yun ang nakikita ko, no? Instead
Oh.
na maka-attack ng free ball, ang naibabalik ng St. Benil dito. And because of that, 9-point lead para dito sa FEU, 23-14.
Ajero off to Sanchez. Sanchez wasn't in a good position, and that was a miss-hit coming from Sanchez.
No adjustment there. Yung mas matitibay na athletes, makikita mo pag superb yung athleticism, may babali nila yung katawan nila. Mapapalo pa
That's
nila
right.
yan for as long as nasa ibabaw yung bola at hindi sila masyadong alanganin ang pwesto.
Single block. That was a one-on-one play. Of course, won by Rachel Andakis, and with that play, FEU wins this second set. 25-14. Medyo malalim na po ang kinalalagyan itong Benil. They're down by 2 sets and are shaky play.
They tried to make it close, but here in the last part of the second set, once again, this time defense doing it for FEU to finish off set number 2 and build a 2-0 lead over St. Benil.
All right, 2 sets na po ang kalamangan ng FEU. The third set when we come back.